Dude, got that new trailer at work, first job. We are here doing a house wash. It's the vinyl house, driveway, sidewalk, and everything else. As you can see, it's a little dirty, got a little oxidation as well, but so far it's nice. We hooked up the hose, got the tank filling. Gonna get the hose real ready. Got fuel, got SH. We are ready. And just as of right now, much more efficient. But so yeah, it's good, man. It's excited to try all this out. So kind of give you a little quick walk around. We got the pressure washer, got a little blower put on there, fits nicely under that rack. Got the fuel tanks, got the hose set up. Still need my toolbox so I could take that stuff out of my truck. Ladder rack. Oh yeah, perfect. Anyway, we're gonna get rolling. I'll shoot some video footage during the job. Got set up, washing the back of the house first, and I'm gonna go ahead and get it rolling. You alright, Tony? After you do that, I'm gonna spray the wood with some water to kind of protect it from the bleach, and then I'm gonna spray that roof. Get some roof spray here. Let's just essentially trying to get some water on this metal roof just to kind of protect it. A little bit, you know, as much as we can. That's all we can do. It's just 1%, so it ain't gonna hurt nothing. But all right, let me get this rolling, and I'll shoot some footage in a minute. Inside the house, got to hit my soap on. Soap on. Soak this side. Again, we're using a M5 twist with the downstream, remote downstream inject job built. So we got some good stuff going on. Come on, soap. There it is. There it is. So far the trailer has been very efficient. I mean, I'm super impressed. It's hard to believe that, you know, just having the right equipment. And, you know, look, I'm a starter. I ain't no pro at this. But I've learned a lot just by reading a lot on the forums. And, you know, look at that dirt coming off. And experience. So it's good. So anyway, we're gonna get this side of the house done. We'll catch up with you in a second. Peace. The house all clean. Took us maybe an hour. A little longer than I wanted, but it had some stubborn spots. So now we're gonna hit this driveway and this walkway. Already downstream some SH, straight SH. So we're letting that soak, and we're about to get on the surface cleaner and get out of here and move to the next one. Came out nice. It is oxidized, but it looks a hell of a lot better. So anyway, keep you guys posted. All right, guys, we're out here doing the surface cleaning. And hey, Tony, slow it down a little bit. We got that 24-inch with a 4-gallon a minute. So don't let nobody kid you. You can work the 24-inch surface cleaner with a 4-gallon a minute. It takes a little longer. I get that, but at the end of the day, you got to work what you got. We're going to get an 8, so that should push that surface cleaner a lot better, quicker. But hey, look, we're getting it done. Already got it cleaned up. Got the house cleaned up. Looking good, baby. Looking good for Thanksgiving. And also, you can tell the DIY guy came by. See the marks in the concrete. I can imagine doing this with a wand. Anyway. The trailer is working out beautiful. Knock on wood, we've been blessed. Working great. Loving it, loving it. Got that 4 GPM mounted. Kind of loud. Buffer tank's working. It's maxed out to the Hudson valve. Working great. So we're gonna go ahead and finish this job up. I gotta call my guy on the next job. I don't know if he's gonna be available, but if so, we're gonna go hit that. All right, peace. Yeah, guys, this is that 4-gallon a minute on a 24. Look at that. The tips I have in there is 20, I think it's 25025 or 25 degree pattern with 2.5 really set up for a 5. But I found that the 2.0, the 4-gallon minute tips were a little too much, believe it or not. So I was like, let me back off a little bit. I don't want to damage anything. So, yeah, we all good. That shit working, baby. Working it today. Making that cheese. I hope you guys out there making the same cheese, getting some hustles. And anyway, we'll wrap this up in a minute. Peace. All right, guys, we're just finishing up. Back at the house. The other job got postponed. Got the trailer all set up. Worked beautiful. Everything just went as planned. So, you know, create a plan and work the plan, and that's what happens. So, all good. And the only thing I got is I got a ball valve leak, and I gotta need to try to get that off that handle and replace the O-ring. But yeah, all good. Drain some of the tank. Oh my gosh, so much more efficient. It makes these jobs so much easier. And when I get the 8, it's just gonna go that much easier. So, can't wait. All right. Anyway, it was a good day. It got cut short by a postponement, but all in all, it was making some money. All right, peace.